Alright guys, here we are night before. Gonna get out there on the water. We rigged everything over to the new kayak. Got everything registered. Set up. We're good to go. Gonna be on Guntersville in the morning. This thing is a beast. So, see you guys in the morning. We'll go get some gas, get some snacks so we can get on the road early. Gonna leave around 2:30ish so we can get there with a little bit of time to spare. Get set up and get her in the water. Alright guys, here we are on Guntersville. It's a native power hour, no limit. So, gotta be 14 inches. We can catch as many as we can. Also, pays out $1,000 an hour for big bass. We got a lot of kayaks out here, so it's gonna be a little bit competitive, but you know, could be a good thing. So we're also in the TNKATT, so we need 3 fish for that. That's just a local circuit, but yeah, stick with us. Let's see if we can at least get one big one. If not, get on some good ones. But yeah, we'll make this work, and if it doesn't work, we'll load up and move somewhere else. But it's supposed to be a fairly nice day, a little windy, but we'll play it by ear like we always do. Alright, see you out there. Alright guys, we got 4 minutes till line's in, 6 a.m. to 2. We really need one big one to get paid, but you know, it's native big bass power hour, so it's unlimited, 14 inches and up, and you also have the TNKATT that we're doing as well, which is just 3 fish. But let's get a limit, and then just go fishing from there, see if we can't get a big one. But we're way back here in this creek bed, and we're just gonna make the most of it. So stick with us. Let's see if we can't crank in a few. "6 a.m. guys. 6. Line's in. Guys, we're in the Bonafide PWR 129 from River Sports. Joined them this week, and so far so good. This thing is super stable, tracks really well with the motor. I mean, plenty of storage, huge base. It's definitely gonna make fishing out of much easier. God. Finally, guys, I'm on board. Absolutely inhaled that frog. All right, 15 and a quarter, guys. Thank you, baby. Got another one, guys. He ain't big, but I think he's a keeper. 14 inches, barely a keeper. Caught him on a speed worm. Just a black and blue, and I dipped it in some chartreuse. $15 and a quarter. 14 and a half, yeah.
Y'all do good?
Nah, we just good, y'all.
Ah,
I have a lot of bass splashing down there.
a lot of bass
Bass.
up here?
Yeah, they're out there rolling around.
Okay. Thank you.
They're 14 and a quarter.
Wear them out.
What's that?
Wear them out.
I think I got like 7 or 8, but they're all 14, 15 inches. So just can't get any size.
I lost $1,000 fish 15 minutes in.
Oh gosh,
Oh,
that has to hurt.
can't straighten my buzz bait out.
Oh my Lord. I lost a frogfish right over here, and that was cheese mats earlier. It was like, it might have been 18 though. It wasn't huge.
This fish came out of the water twice. It looked like it had one of them little miniature footballs in its gut.
Oh God. I'm sorry to hear that, brother. That sucks.
That's been my week, buddy. Totally been my week. I got 2 cracks in my kayak.
Are they gonna? Do you have a warranty on it?
Oh yeah, this is their brand new model. I mean,
Oh gosh.
the team guys are the only one that's got them so far.
Wow.
I said, you let anybody else have one of these kayaks, you're free.
Well, good luck, buddy.
See you, bud.
It's good to be back down here to Gunnersville again. Tin Cat we added Gunnersville a couple years ago. I don't think it's ever going to come off our truck. It's phenomenal down here. Absolutely love it. Yeah, you too. But we'll keep it long here. But so we had 42 anglers. Great turnout for the tournament. So with 42 anglers, we pay out 4 positions, and also, 5th position gets a gift card that will get sent to you by my other tournament director, Andrew, who's not here today. But we'll get that gift card to that individual. So we're going to start off with big bass, and unfortunately, this individual is not here, but he pulled in a 24-incher first thing this morning, 15 minutes in the tournament. Phenomenal. He'll be taking home $100. He had to run home and get his air conditioner fixed if he'd be here. All right. So 5th place, we taking getting a gift card with 50 cents. All right. So 1st place, he's kind of an old bonehead. Taking home $413.77 with 60 1/4 inches. Chris Franklin, which is no. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Give him a big. Come on, man.
He's got to interview himself.
Give it up for Chris.
Every frog today. Every single fish, every single bite, frog. After about 9:30, I locked it in my hand and didn't put it down the rest of the day. So it was a great day. Frog day. But that's it for us. Appreciate everybody that joined in with us today, and good luck to the remainder of the tournament.
All right. In 1st place with 28 keepers, setting the 2nd largest live event limit ever caught with 444 inches. Oh, man. 6 inches short of the live record. And I'm saying live record because when we did that national one last year, it was 1,200 inches. So live in person, just like this, was 450. 444 on the Big G. Going home with $2,520 plus Bob's Boots gift card, Mr. Clyde Tim III.
Attaboy.
Yeah.
I'm trying so hard to catch up with y'all.
And you've not been up to the stage in the last hour we've been out here, so enjoy your moment. Congrats on a huge national stage win. You dominated, like I said, second. So you'll go down as number 3 now for the total limits that we've had. Tell us what you did today.
I burned chatterbait on grass fed for 8 hours. I didn't catch anything in the first hour, kind of had me worried. And then they just started hitting anywhere from 48 to 1.
48. Nice. That's awesome. That's awesome. You had 28 keepers. How many shorts would you say you had?
Probably about 10 to 12. But I knew anytime I caught 1 or 2 shorts, generally I had a scoreboard or 2 after that.
Nice.
So you're catching them in 3 and 4, 5th at a time. I walk with another. Yeah, that's chatting. Yeah. A lot of times I was from 6.
Yeah. Stop it.
What color?
No, I fished 4 or 5 of them.
Okay.
Oh,
Give it up for the champ.
Thank you.